Hello everybody, welcome back. Today we're making the most delicious peanut butter cookie recipe ever. So let's get started. So first you want to combine some flour, baking soda, and salt in a bowl. In a separate bowl, beat some butter, white sugar, and brown sugar with an electric mixer until pale and fluffy. Add the eggs, mix well, then add some peanut butter. And I'll have all the ingredients listed in the description box down below. Add the flour mixture in 3 additions, mixing until it's just combined. Then cover the bowl with some plastic wrap and chill it in the fridge for 30 minutes. Then use a 1.5-inch ice cream scoop to scoop balls of cookie dough onto the baking sheet lined with parchment paper. And make sure to space the cookies 1.5 inches apart because they do spread when you bake them. Then press a fork into the top of the cookies to create a crosshatch pattern. And if you find that the fork is kind of sticking to the dough, just dip it in some flour between each kind of time that you press it in, and that will really help. Then place the entire baking sheet into the freezer and chill for 20 minutes. Then bake the cookies at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 14 to 16 minutes, or until the edges are just starting to brown, and then cool the cookies, and you are done. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that you like this recipe. If you are looking for other peanut butter themed recipes, I will have a playlist linked here. Ages ago, I made peanut butter ice cream that was sandwiched between 2 chocolate cookies. Those cookies are so good, by the way. So if you like that, check it out. It's called, I think it's like a Reese's peanut butter ice cream sandwich. I think that's what I called it that. Way like 3 or 4 years ago. So if you want to see my old building style, definitely check out that video, and it's really delicious. But yeah, if there's anything else peanut butter flavored that you would like me to make, let me know in the comments down below, like peanut butter cheesecake. I actually have a chocolate and peanut butter birthday cake coming in a couple weeks, so definitely stay tuned for that. But yeah, if there's anything else, even like peanut butter milkshake, or I don't know, anything, I love you guys so much. And if you haven't watched my weekly vlogs yet, I think you should, because it's basically just filled with the dogs. So if you would like to see my Pomeranians just running around and being cute, that is what Sunday is for. So yes, anyways, I love you guys so much. Bye!